Hey people of YouTube, this is Lego Fire Apparatus 123, and I'm going to show you how to draw a fire truck on paint on the computer. So first, we click on the little start button down here, and we want to, oh yeah, I have Lego Digital Designer, and if you want to see quick, as long as it initializes. Alright. This is my ambulance. Thing that sucks though, I can't buy it. So, alright, so we go to paint. You want to start out with, you want to get a square. When you want to make your color 1 red and your color 2 can stay white, you draw a pretty decent rectangle. That'd be the back. Then next you make silver. No, I want to keep that white. There we go. Crap, this is all messed up. Nope, no, oh, wow. Okay, disregard that right there. That's a little mess up. Mess ups will happen. So for the next square, you want to make both silver and silver. Click on the square, fill, solid color, and you go about 3/4 of the way, and like that. Click away, make another square, red and white. Go up about, yeah, the same height and like that. Then you want to make another one, just slightly lower, like that. And then to get the full shape of the cab, you want to erase away these lines here. And you want to click on the slant line and make a slant. And then erase these lines here. So then you have the cab. Then you click on the circle. Same colors will do. You do like that. And like, nope, do close up. Okay, let's try this again. Alright. Should be good, right? Here. Yeah, right about there. And then you take the eraser again and you erase away the bottom half of the circle. And this creates the wheel flare. I think that's what it is, a wheel flare. See, alright, so done with that. The next part, you want to make some more circles for the wheels. Click on circle. Color 1 black, color 2 black. I don't know if you have the same computer as me. It is a Acer. Alright, so right about here should do. There's one wheel. There's the other wheel. Then you want to make both colors silver. No, I want to keep that wheel black. Make sure you click away before you change colors. Then you want to make the inside of the wheel. Doesn't really matter how far away it is from the outside, just that you get the silver part. Okay, so let's make the windshield Probably take like a light blue tint. Square. This is as far as I got last time. I don't really know how to do the windshield. See, light blue should be good. I should make a blue fill. And that seems good, I would say. Let's see. Alright. Then we should make the other windows. Let's see, back door. First we should probably draw the doors. Color black. Now I want to make a square. Alright, this should be good. Alright, next, then we can make the window. Okay, could probably make this fill red. Okay, so we got the window, now the other door. That's gonna be tricky, I think. Let's see here. Could do that. And then just draw a line down, maybe. Okay, we got that. Now just erase. Alright, so we got some of the truck. This might not look good. This is the first time I'm actually going full. Last time I just kind of messed it up a little. I'll get the window in here. Okay, we should... Wow, my arm's getting tired. Alright, so next we should probably fill everything in red. Just gonna use a brush here. And... can you resize this brush? I don't know. Let's try this brush. Oh, too big. Too big. Too big. Is everything here either too big or too small? Wow. This is really pathetic. Too big. You know, I'll just draw a rectangle. That should be easier. Okay, it's looking pretty good now. Just had to fill in some white. And then we could erase any little Ah, that took away from the wheel. Wow. This sucks. I just have to fill in. That's pretty good. Okay, now let's fill in the rest with red. Well, you got the idea. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video and come back. Okay, after about maybe 25 minutes, I'm back, and here's what I came out with. A Chicago Fire Department rescue truck. I don't even know if they have one, but I got the roll-up doors, the lights, the colors right, the raised cab, got a Q sign down there, headlights, alright, so, yeah, the only thing I don't have is wording, which that'd probably be kind of hard. So, here's what it is. So, bye. Oh, that was my phone. Crap. Bye.